Okay, today back in the office. The upstairs is almost done, just got to put the skirting in now. Just painted the walls white. And what we're going to do today is clean up the floor, sand the floor and put a clear varnish on it. It's not a very big space, let me show you. So, yeah, not big at all. Apologies for the noise outside. I've shut the window, but my neighbour's strangling a strimmer outside. She's making a right racket. Anyway, so the first thing we're going to do is go around and just get all the old plaster off. There's plenty of it. Just scrape that off. Then give it a quick vacuum over. And then once that's done, see these, we're going to sand it, but the problem is, I don't know if you can see that, the nail heads are sticking above the surface, which will make a real mess of the sandpaper. So once we've cleaned it off, we've got to do something about these. Once the floor is sanded, then the next stage will be to do the wall panelling. So about halfway up, all the way around, so that height. We're going to do some wall panelling and paint it grey. Dark grey, I think. I've already been around and put the new sockets in, the network points, and likewise for upstairs. Never have too many sockets. I built this cupboard for, it's not got a handle on yet, it's not finished, but with a socket in, and the plan is to put a printer and all the stuff in there that I don't want on display really. I put new light switches in, and then some down lights there. And these ones are switched from upstairs as well. We'll do upstairs later, but I started to make a start on the projector system and the surround sound system. I'll do a tour of all that when it's finished. Right, let's get on with it.
Well, that made quite a difference. It took a long time. I think that was spread over 3 days. So yeah, it took a long time because the boards were slightly curved, bowed, so I had to sand them flat. Anyway, this is the varnish I picked up. It's clear, specifically designed for passages where there's going to be a lot of traffic, so kitchens, entranceways, that kind of thing. I'm applying it with a roller, probably the wrong type of roller, but it, for this it'll do the job. And then where the roller can't get into or up to these wooden stairs, that sort of thing, I use a paintbrush to just finish off in the corners. And yeah, just carry on with that. One tin is enough for one coat on this floor, and I'm going to do 2 coats.